Good evening, everyone. In the last video, sir, just we started one new batch for Advanced Java with UI technologies. Okay, so I told already the prerequisite for this course is nothing but compulsory. You should be very strong in CoreJava. Okay, so exception handling, IO streams, OOPS concepts. Okay, so basic building blocks, all these things are mandatory, sir. The title of the course is nothing but Advanced Java with UI Technologies. Sir, the duration of the course is 2 months. Total 60 hours we are going to spend. And the timings of this session is from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday. And the total there are 3 demos are there. Yesterday we have seen one demo. Today is the second demo. The fees for this batch is 7,000 rupees. If you want to get register for this course, you can contact to this number. And every day running notes will be updated, and even we are going to give running notes, I mean recording videos, sir. But these recording videos you can access up to 7 months, not downloadable. And coming to the syllabus, what things we are going to cover in this is nothing but sir, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, so MySQL, JDBC, servlets, JSP, Spring framework, but not in detail, sir. Just I am going to give only 1 or 2 classes I will take on Spring, not in detail. Again, I am giving the clarity. So mini projects, 1 or 2 mini projects we are going to cover. Of course, since it is a web related thing, everything will comes under mini project only. Okay, sir. Now just I want to start this course, but before starting this course, sir, I want to explain 3 programs for you people. Example number 1. What is the first example program is nothing but, sir, I have student management system. Okay, I developed by using CoreJava, sir. I want to execute this program and I want to show you, sir, how it is implemented. For that, I am taking a new Java program. Okay, a new Java program, sir. This one is already available somewhere. 1 minute, let me fetch from that data. Somewhere in jdbc. Yes, where is that SMS project? Yes, I got it. So let me execute, sir, first. This is nothing but the project what I have, sir. Here file name is a test. That's why I am going to save this document in D drive. I am saving this document in D drive. The name of the file is nothing but test.java only. Sir, in this Java program, maybe already you are coming from Java background. That's why I am explaining at top level. There is one main method is there, which is throwing some exception. If any exception occurred in your program, it will be handled. So I created one scanner class object. By using this object, we are going to read some information. What are the required fields? Hall ticket number, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, subject 6, and then total. Double percentage, sir, name of the student, grade of the student, and then result. Sir, I am asking hall ticket number from the user, name from the user, then subject 1 marks up to subject 6. These are the inputs. From these 6 subject marks, I calculated total, sir. We know what is a formula for calculating total. Subject 1 plus a subject 2 plus a subject 3 plus subject 4 plus subject 5 plus subject 6. Then I am cross checking whether every subject pass marks he got or not. Okay, sir, nested if concept. Sir, if every subject got with pass marks, then I calculated a percentage. If that percentage is 75 or above, result is pass, grade is A. If it is greater than 60, sir, result is pass, grade is B. If the result is greater than 50, result is pass and then grade is 60. If your percentage is greater than 40, result is pass and then grade is D. Suppose if it is less than 40, grade is not applicable, result is fail. Suppose if at least one subject got fail, then we are printing grade is not applicable, failed in one subject, like that. Now we are printing whatever we calculated, we are printing on the console. Sir, I want to run this program. We know very well, if you want to run the program, generally I will use a command prompt. Sir, here I am typing java c test.java. I am trying to execute the program. Yes, my program compiled successfully and I am executing, and it is asking hall ticket number. Sir, I am giving one. Enter name. Let us take AAA. Subject 1 marks 85, 96, 45, 65, 55, 88. Sir, student number, hall ticket number 1, name is AAA, marks are nothing but these things. Total marks is 434, grade is B, and result is pass. I want to open MySQL database. I want to connect to MySQL database. Okay, it is already installed in my mission with some password. Sir, I am activating Java DB1. Okay, and then yes, sir, show tables. Sir, I have almost 4 tables are there. In this, our project is SMS. So select a star from SMS. Sir, you can see that record not added. With name AAA, there is no student. Because, sir, here I didn't implemented any database operations. Simple core Java concept I applied. Okay, that's why I got this particular result on the screen, sir. Sir, okay, everything is perfect. My next example too is nothing but same this student management system I want to take, but I need to connect to the JDBC. That means we need to read information from the student and we have to write permanently on the database. For that I want to implement the program. But before moving to that program, sir, please confirm, is the outline of this student management system how we prepared, is it clear for you people, friends? Please confirm, everyone. Is it clear for you people, friends? Please confirm, everyone. Everyone, please respond, sir. Right, sir. Now, sir, same student management system project is there, same project, but additionally I imported one more package. Import java.sql.star, because this SQL package is going to provide support for us to interact with sir, databases, whether it is MySQL or whether it is NoSQL or whether it is Oracle DB, anything. Sir, if you want to communicate with the database, this SQL package is going to provide some support. But you can see every calculation is the same up to this. But here I am going to open MySQL server. MySQL, to establish communication with MySQL, I need some mediator. That is nothing but this driver I am activating. Then what is the database name, sir? Java DB, right? Java DB1. That's all. Rest of the things are same. Sir, all these things we will discuss in our database. Don't worry. Just observe. Sir, this is the URL which I want to open, and this is the username what I have. This is the password, and I am establishing the connection. I am creating a statement, and I am trying to give one query. So then I am going to execute. Immediately I am printing the message saying the record got inserted. But sir, if you want to do this, one small activity we have to do. What is that activity? Is nothing but set a class path is equal to, there is one class path is there that you need to set manually, because that class path is nothing but used to communicate with the database. Sir, you can see here, this is nothing but the jar file what we have. This jar file is going to helpful, sir, to communicate with the database. That's all. Now compilation is as usual and execution is also as usual. hall ticket number. Sir, I am giving hall ticket number as a 8. Sir, name, let me give the name which is not there here is nothing but something like Rajesh is not there. Sir, I want to give Rajesh. Sir, subject 1 marks 89, 98, 88, 99, something like 75, and then 66, like this. Sir, you can see this is nothing but the information what we calculated and record inserted. Sir, do you observe here that record is not there? Now, if I ask select star from SMS, just now that record got updated, right? Sir, is it coming or not? Yes, we are getting. Sir, you can prepare a web page. You can prepare a web page where if you want to sort based on total. Sir, we have queries there. So select a star from, okay, SMS table, order by, okay, order by, sir, total marks. Total marks. Now see what will happen. According to the total marks, sir, in descending order, I want to get. Yes, this is nothing but grade 1. This is nothing but rank 2, rank 3, like that. Sir, this information you can display on the web page. That is the main intention what we are going to learn. Okay, sir, this is the way how you can able to insert the data into database by using this MySQL, sir. Okay, sir, everything we are going to cover in JDBC, but just for demo purpose, I am giving these things, sir. Beyond that, nothing is there. Sir, previous to execution of this program, these are the records present in the table. But once if I execute that program, this is nothing but the record which we have, which we got inserted. Sir, I hope this second project, that is a second small tool what we have taken, is also very clear for you people. I think so. Please confirm. Do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Of course, don't worry. We will create a beautiful form for this and we will enter the data and that data will be inserted into database. That part we will cover in our upcoming sessions. Any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Right, sir. Sir, I want to show you one small third example, which is nothing but related to the web application. Sir, something like login. Okay, sir, I can user login validation. This program I want to show you. Sir, do you know in my database, in my Oracle database, there is one table is there with name users. Sir, already some users I created. Already I created some users. What is the username of the first user? Admin. What is the password of the first user? Admin @123. What is the username of second user? KPB. What is the password of that user? Admin. Okay, these two users are there in my database. Just I'm displaying for you, that's why you know. But if I'm not displaying this content, you can't see. Okay, sir, now I'm going to type one URL, sir. Okay, what is that URL? Is, listen carefully. This is the benefit what you are going to get from this advanced Java classes. So HTTP. Okay, sir, HTTP colon / localhost. Okay, localhost colon 9090. This is my IP address, sir. So demo 1, there is one project is there. Okay, sir, login form .html. There is one predefined page already we created. What is that page name, sir? Login form.html. If you type this on any browser, you can select any browser. Sir, here I am opening Google Chrome. Sir, you can take any browser and you can type on the top. Just press enter. Sir, see what happens. Sir, it is displaying DURGASOFT online training portal user login page. Sir, username and then password it is asking. Once if I supply username and password, it is giving some validation. Consider a new student got registered. Already these two students are there in the database. First student is nothing but admin, sir. they are going to give permission everything. Now admin want to log in, then what we are going to do, I am giving username as admin, password what we have set, sir, admin at the rate 123. Sir, I am giving admin at the rate 123. Now press login, sir, see what happens, user login success. Like this we are getting. Okay, suppose consider one student came, the student name is kpb, sir, password is nothing but admin, the student name is kpb, assume the password I am giving abc. Sir, what happens, user login failed. Suppose if I am giving password as admin, what happens, user login success. Now I'm typing the username as a Prakash, password as 123. It is telling invalid login. Now, sir, observe what happens. I am inserting one new student, sir. One new student got registered. Now, sir, insert into users values. Of course, for this also you can write a program. Username is Prakash, password is 123. Now you can see, sir, now just I'm going to give login button. Sir, what happens, fraction of seconds, fraction of seconds, my web application is displaying user login success. Sir, I didn't modified anything. Okay, and one more thing, sir, you can access this entire thing, 1 minute, by using ip address also. Sir, my ip address is nothing but this one, sir. My system ip address is nothing but this one. So let us try. Yes, where is that url? I think in this place, in the place of local host, sir, you can take this ip address also. Definitely I think so it should work. Sir, is it coming or not? Yes, sir. Now if my system is connected, if my system is connected with the LAN, like network related things, anyone in this world can access this application. Anyone in this world can access this application, provided I have to what you can say, publish this. Okay, like that there is one server is there, sir. Okay, sir, 1 minute, jntua anantapur, I am opening this website. Sir, you can see there is one option is there with the name verify original degree. Yes, apply original degree. I am clicking on this. Sir, just have a look once. Sir, is the same IP came? Have you observed not secured? This is the IP address colon 9090 demo 1 login form. Sir, 210 212 214 167 slash original degree. Something like demo 1. But here login form I have given manually. If login form is not given, sir, which form it is going to open? By default, index page will be there. That page is going to be opened. Okay, sir, this is nothing but how you can apply, sir. I mean, how you can able to prepare web application. This part we are going to see. Now let me check, is this IP address is validating or not? So Prakash, I am giving 123, I am giving. Let me click on login. It says user login success. Sir, now 1234 I am giving. Sir, if I press user login failed. Have you observed these type of situations, sir, you can able to create and you can run with the help of these servlets. I implemented a simple servlet, sir, beyond that nothing. And I told yesterday some diagram, where that diagram is stored, I don't know. 1 minute, let me check where that diagram, I think so this one. Yes, right, sir, you have created these many pages for this small application. Yes, I created. Sir, I will show you that pages. Have a look once. This is nothing but the login form. Okay, sir, which is asking username, password, everything it is asking. And sir, once if I click, it is going to login. In the login servlet, I prepared one servlet program here only to verify login credentials. 1 minute, it is taking some time because first time, right? It's not responding. Sir, we have here login servlet is there. So this login servlet is going to do all the majority of the work, sir. Okay. Yeah, you can see whatever data you have given, it is accepting. Okay. And it is calling check login by providing username and password. If the return type is success, it will print user login success. If return type is failure, we are going to print user login failed. Sir, where this entire work is done? User service. Let me open user service. It is a Java program where it is communicating with the database, it is communicating with the username and passwords, and it is executing one query stating select a star from users, where username is nothing but which you have given, and the password is nothing but which you have given. With these details, if any record is there, then success it will return, otherwise failure. A simple application, right? So how it is working, I think you got the clarity. This is the way how we are going to work with these servlets and then JSP. To reduce the code, to reduce the Java code, we are going for JSP, sir. So with this, I have given a full-fledged clarity what is our course is going to be done, sir. In this entire syllabus, we are going to cover these type of many projects, all these things. But to develop every application, these many things are required, sir. Maybe you have seen this website, sir. It is not very that much clear, but if I open, okay, if I open my anything like suppose for example, mm, which website we can take, yeah, sir, DurgaSoft online. Yes, durgasoftonline.com, some website is there, sir. If I open this website, so if I click login, if I click login, if I click login, sir, my network is very slow. I don't know today what happened. Yeah, sir, you can see it is asking for email, it is asking for password, sir. Whenever I click on this email, immediately that box got highlighted. Whenever I'm clicking on password, this one was disabled and this one was activated, sir. See, sign up. So finger thumb, I mean hand symbol is coming, login, something like this. But the application which you developed is not correct, that much kick is not there here. Can you do this type of coding here? Yes, you can do. For that, we have to apply CSS, cascading style sheets. Anyway, each and everything we are going to talk in detail about that. Don't worry at all. If you want, you can see, enter hall ticket number. Okay, sir. Yesterday, maybe somewhere I have covered JavaScript. Here they have used JavaScript for validation purpose. Now observe, I'm giving 123. I'm clicking on proceed. Sir, what happens? Please match the requested format. So 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, I will capture this. Sir, what is that? What is that? It is telling only alphabets are allowed, only digits are allowed. With how many characters? 10 characters. Only alphabets and digits are allowed. Sir, now 10 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 characters. But is it valid or not? Yes, it is valid. It will take this data and it will search in the database. Then with this hall ticket number, if any person is there, it will display. Otherwise, simply it is going to display, sir, like this error message we got. Okay, let me give any valid because I am working, I worked as some engineering college, that's why something I will take. 9f a0 something like 502 something like that I'm giving. Yeah, sir, you can see, sir, this is the hall ticket number. Student name you have to type, father name you have to type, male or female, btech already selected. So your group is also already selected, your college name is also already selected. You have to give other number, rest of the details you have to fill, and then you need to submit. Sir, which data it is coming? Hall ticket number, this is given by you. Okay, sir, based on this, because you have entered 05, sir, which indicates you are a computer science student. Okay, and you have given 1A, that's why you became btech student. Okay, and you have given 9F, because of that it is selecting this college name. Okay, these type of filtrations from the string, how to extract, sir, two characters, already in core java we have studied. So these kind of things we are going to implement, sir. Of course, just for your understanding purpose I am displaying a sample thing. Okay, sir, I don't want to continue full-fledged into this. Anyway, we will cover all these things in our coming sessions, sir. Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts? Please confirm. I will start today main topics. Any doubts up to this? Anna, spring also you will teach? No, no, no spring actually. So but I am going to try to at least one or two demo classes I want to take on spring. Sir, where we can watch these recorded demo videos again? Manoj, it will be uploaded in the YouTube. You can able to cross check 3 to 4 classes. Sir, is it possible to start with JDBC? Actually, I am doing a training in Wipro. There I required JDBC and I have exam of JDBC next month. That's why I take this course. It will be very helpful if you start JDBC. No, no. First 2 weeks or 2.5 weeks, we are not concentrating on JDBC. After that only we will take. Because to work with JDBC, MySQL is mandatory. And this UI technologies, after JDBC, I won't wait, sir. Immediately I will go with the servlets. So that's why the flow is nothing but first UI technologies, then database tool, and then JDBC, servlets, and then JSP. Okay. Sir, any doubts? Please confirm. Friends, I request everyone to please be active. Is everything is clear for you? Shall I continue? Right, friends. So now, sir, I'm entering into the actual syllabus now. Sir, the first I want to talk about web application, because we are working on this environment only. Okay, we will create the web pages, how that web pages are going to react for your data. So in the background, what things are going to be happen, everything we are going to learn with the help of this web application only. That's why JavaScript also you will cover in detail. Piyush, no, no, not in detail. What is required for our full stack Java, we are going to cover, not in detail. Okay, so we will cover events, we will cover JavaScript objects, IO statements. So up to that, we will cover regular expressions. Okay, those things we are going to cover. Major parts which are required for developing a web application, we will cover. But JavaScript we have in depth. So as a separate course, you have to register for JavaScript. Ajax, all these things are frameworks. So we will discuss about that also now. But Ajax is not there in our curriculum. Yeah, please wait for another few minutes, sir. Sir, what is mean by web application? Everyone is telling web application, web application, web application. Sir, you can prepare web application with the help of any programming language. But if you want to prepare that web application in a beautiful manner, compulsory we required some tools together. Okay, that tools are nothing but whatever we are going to cover: html, sir, css, javascript, okay, jquery, okay, and then mysql, and then servlets, okay, and then jsps, and then jdbc. With the help of these things, we are going to create a beautiful web application which can run excellent in our mission, sir. So what is mean by web application? Very simple. The application which provides services over the web, sir, is called as web application. Best example, sir, my gmail.com is there. Sir, is it a web application or not? Yes, sir. If I open my gmail, let me open my personal gmail id. Yes, what happens? Immediately it is going to take gmail id. Immediately it is going to take gmail inbox, sir. Okay, sir, you can open anything, sir. It is going to redirect to that particular page. Sir, have you observed? Yes, like this we have. Sir, this is nothing but what I can say, a web application. Gmail is the web application which is providing service for me, where I can check all my mails, everything, sir. Okay, sir, this is nothing but one web application what we have. Similarly, maybe your favorite facebook.com. Okay, and even, sir, you can see abibus is there, right? Abibus.com, it is also a web application, sir. Have you remembered this? Suppose, consider, I want to open this abibus.com. Yes, sir, if you want to book the tickets, then we can use this. Sir, this web application is providing service for me or not? Yes, you can see more interactive manner. This particular web page is there. More interactive manner, sir. This web page is there, sir. Everything they have already typed. Just it is displayed. That's all. Okay, you can't change this information. So where you are going to work, sir, only here you can work. Suppose if I want to go from, sir, Hyderabad. Okay, if I want to go from, sir, Hyderabad. Sir, my system is very slow. Going to, maybe assume I want to go to, sir, something like Tirupati or Tirumala. Tirupati is there. Yes. So date of journey, maybe assume, sir, tomorrow I want to start my journey. Date of return is not required. Let us search. Now, sir, you can see n number of buses are there, sir. N number of buses are there, sir. Where this entire data is available? Where this entire data is available? This data is available in the database. Based on your given details, my web application is providing service for me. Then you have to choose appropriate bus details. If you are okay with the seat selection, everything, sir, it is going to be confirmed. Okay, select the seat. Then, sir, this is nothing but the bus what we have. Sir, you can select which seat you want, and then you can go for continue payment. N number of things are going to be happen. Okay, so where you want to start, where you want to end, sir, like that it is going to tell. Okay, just continue payment. It redirects to the passenger details, so it will ask to log in everything. It is going to be done, sir. All these things is nothing but web application only. My web application which I prepared, they are providing for services. So these kind of things we can prepare in our advanced java. Not only advanced java, sir, even you can prepare in python also. Even you can prepare by using .NET. Even you can prepare by using php. N number of options are there. Okay, then, sir, even our durgasoftonline.com is also a web application which is providing application for us to view the recordings, right? So this is nothing but what is meant by web application. And you are always hearing two words, sir. Maybe if I'm not wrong, Sir, you are going to use the word called front end. Sir, very simple. Majority of the people are going to feel the applications like servlets, JSPs, HTML, CSS, all these things are called as front end technologies. So MySQL, so the databases are called as back end technologies. That is wrong, sir. Front end technologies means very simple. It represents it represents sir, what end user is seeing on website. Sir, what end user is going to see on the website is called as front end, sir. Sir, here this information, 1 minute. Yeah, sir, this is nothing but what a front user is watching. Sir, what about load balancer to stabilize the traffic from database? Yeah, those things we will cover in advanced concepts, sir, like in the frameworks, okay, in the cloud technologies. So data consistency, that database will take care. We are not in a position to provide support for that. We are learning just at the top level. We are going to touch, that's all. Okay, Manoj. For that only we have multi-threading in Java. So many concepts are there. We can use parallelly all those things. Right. Sir, this one is nothing but which is a front end technology, which is a front end. So what you can able to see from the website is called as front end. And sir, we can develop. Okay, sir, we can develop these front end technologies, these front end components, sir, by using which technologies you can develop. Sir, you can prepare HTML. Okay, sir, HTML, sir, CSS, JavaScript, and then bootstrap. Okay, next jQuery. Okay, like this we have n number of, like this we have n number of things are there. Sir, here this HTML, okay, CSS, JavaScript, these are nothing but basic front end technologies. So this HTML, sir, CSS, JavaScript, I can say these are nothing but basic okay, front end tools. Okay, front end tools or sir technologies. But sir, what about this bootstrap? What about this bootstrap and what about this jQuery? Sir, these things are nothing but sir, ready-made libraries available with that. Okay, ready-made libraries. I can say these are ready-made libraries, or you can say frameworks, advanced frameworks. So each and everything will be available in the form of frameworks, sir. Just we have to use whatever you want. So ready-madely each and everything will be available. If you want to create a button, we have some predefined tools are there. So if you want to create a checkbox, a predefined tools will be there. But in HTML, you have to write code manually for each and everything. Okay, so this is nothing but what is mean by the front end technologies what we have. Someone is asking, sir, syllabus, please post it on chat window. This is the syllabus. Okay, sir, this is called as a front end technologies what we have. Of course, what is the purpose of HTML, what is the purpose of CSS, each and everything we will discuss in our upcoming sessions. Okay, now sir, what about back end technologies? Okay, what about back end technologies? Sir, very simple. What is mean by backend here? It is a technology which is used to decide which you want to display on the screen. Sir, it is a technology, okay, sir, which is used to decide to show on the front end what you want to display. Sir, for that we have to go for this backend, sir. So in the backend, there are three parts will be there. First thing is nothing but a language. Second thing is nothing but a database. Sir, third thing is nothing but frameworks. Okay, frameworks. Sir, language. What is the purpose of language? Sir, to prepare business logic, you have to go for this language. Sir, what about the database? Sir, it is used to store. It is used to store data. What about these frameworks, sir? These frameworks are giving ready-made support. Ready-made support will be there. Okay, that's all. So if you want to learn framework very efficiently, you must have the basic building blocks. Okay, sir, business logic. Sir, you can see in my previous application, if I am giving Prakash and 123, sir, it is fetching the data from database and it is giving information whether that data is correct or wrong. So it is doing one operation called a string comparison. I have explained with the help of this code also, right? Have you observed here? What is the business logic, sir? You can see this is nothing but the business logic what we have. Okay, sir, whatever details you got, if it is equal to true, then success, otherwise failure. Here also we have written one business logic. If your status is a success, we are printing something. If a status is failure, we are printing something. Sir, is this information is visible to the end user? No, we are writing the code. Then it is called as a business logic. What is your actual implementation? For this, you can go for either Java, or you can go with Python, or you can go with the .NET, or you can go with the Visual Basics. Okay, like this we have a number of programming languages are there. Sir, I want to store the data. No problem. Sir, my recommendation is for MySQL, or you can go with NoSQL, or you can go with Oracle or MongoDB. Okay, MongoDB, or you can go with SQLite, etc. Sir, what about the frameworks? Sir, we have Struts framework is there. Sir, we have Spring framework is there. Okay. Sir, we have ASP framework is there. Sir, in Python related, Django framework is there. Okay. Flask framework is there. Like this, we have different frameworks are there. Using these frameworks also, you can build this backend technologies, sir. But before moving to the framework, you should know how internally it is working. That's why, sir, we are covering only the basic things, not the frameworks. This is nothing but what is mean by front-end technologies and what is mean by back-end technologies. So as a part of front-end technologies, we are going to cover HTML, sir, CSS, we are going to cover HTML, sir, CSS, JavaScript, sir, jQuery. Okay, sir, these things we are going to cover. If possible, one or two applications on Bootstrap also I will cover. Then languages, already we covered, right? Java language we have seen already. Okay, so in addition to that, server level languages we are going to cover Jdbc, and then we are going to see servlets. Okay, and then we are going to cover JSP. So Jdbc also. Sir, what is the database we are using here? I told already, MySQL. Okay, maybe if time permits, one or two programs or how to work with Spring frameworks also I will touch. That's all. Okay, so this entire concept is called as full stack, sir. Full stack. So full stack means what? The people who work with the complete web application is called as full stack. Sir, there are full stack web developers are there. Okay, sir, full stack Python developers are there. Okay, sir, full stack Java developers are there. Sir, we are learning this course now. Already we completed Java. Now we are going to complete UI technologies and then advanced Java plus MySQL database. Sir, if it is a Python, same things will be there. But in the place of yeah, 1 minute. In the place of this Java, we are going to touch Python. In the place of this advanced Java, we are going to cover Django framework. Sir, full stack web also same. First, we will get UI technologies. In the place of advanced Java, we are going to cover PHP. That's all. Nothing more than that, sir. But anyway, already we covered Java. Just we are going to work with these tools now, sir. Okay, sir, hope you got what is the meaning of web application. Sir, what is the front end technologies what we have, and what is mean by back end technologies. Sir, how to work with this, everything theoretically I have given maximum points, sir. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Yes, everyone, please respond. Do you have any doubts up to this? Clear, right? Right, sir. So yeah, every day 1 hour class will be there, 9 to 10. Every day 1 hour class will be there. These are demo sessions, that's why 40 minutes, 50 minutes like that we are taking. Duration 2 months course. This is 2 months course. 1 month completely we are going to see UI technologies plus MySQL. So in the next 1 month, 1 week for JDBC, 1 week for servlets, 1 week for JSP, 1 week for mini projects. Right, sir.